Hi guys, I'm sitting here today alone and it's funny my comes up in my mind something that I have to share, and I told myself, well, I have to record this because I was laughing myself. I remembering our traditional in the Philippines. Now I just wake up right now. It's almost 11 o'clock, and I wake up so early today because of my baby girl. I have to send in the school 7:30, and then when I come home 8, I went to bed back, and then I don't have any breakfast or coffee or something like that, and I'm thinking about what to eat. And yung bang traditional natin sa Pinas guys, na in the morning we wake up, we have before we take almusal, we have coffee and kakanin, yung tinapay. Then we make our breakfast, and then after our breakfast 9 o'clock we get ready also to think about what we gonna get snacks at 9 to 10. And then after snacks na naman sa 10, mag-isip na naman tayo. We're thinking to what to cook in the lunch at 12 o'clock. And then after 12 o'clock, 1 hour after, we always every hour watching the clock because we gonna think another merienda in 3 o'clock. Merienda na naman. Pagkatapos ng merienda, we're thinking another dinner na po. We thinking about what to cook for a dinner. Just go. It's too hassle our life in the Philippines, guys. And then our parents, if we don't eat one lunch, or we miss our lunch, and then they are so mad at us because makaupaw ka nang unsa na yun. Mapaso. Makatawa. I was laughing. Thank God, I don't, wala man ko napas mo de. I'm used to it in America now for almost 2 decades that I eat twice a day. And wala man ko napas mo. Kaya siguro ang daming mahihirap sa atin sa Pilipinas, guys, kasi nauubos lang yung time natin sa kaluluto kahit wala naman halos sa iluluto. Ang hassle pala, I just thinking about today, I was like, oh my God, when I was when I was a child, kinukurot-kurot pa ako ng mama ko because I was so pinicky, guys, and I was so skinny because my mom, we have a lot to cook because my mom is very hard working, and my father, and we are a farmer. We have everything in the farm. I'm tired to eat. I always thinking about like different, like I always like fried, and my mother didn't like much fried. So that's what I was so skinny, and then when she get mad at me, she pinching me. Oh my goodness, because napas mo na daw ko, guys. Kaya hindi daw ko ingaon. I was like, oh my God, it's remembering my childhood today, but it's beautiful, guys. This is all for today, guys. Love you all. It's funny day.